Welcome to eMedia. In this tutorial, I am going to introduce you to eMedia groups. eMedia groups provide a space for you to collaborate with educators from all over Utah as you create, share, organize, and discuss educational resources. To start using eMedia groups, navigate to emedia.uen.org and log in to your eMedia account using your MyUEN credentials. If you need help logging in, or if you need any eMedia support, you can send a help request by clicking on the support button found on the side of each page. Next, click on the Groups tab located at the top of each page in eMedia. Then, click on See All Groups to view a full list of all of the collaborative groups that have already been created in eMedia. Search through the list to find groups you might like to be a part of. You can search for groups using the filters at the top of the page, or by conducting a keyword search. Once you have found a group you are interested in, click on it to take a closer look. You can read the group description and browse through the group membership, information, and recent activity. If the group is open to anyone, you can simply click the Join This Group button to become a group member. If the group is closed, click on the Request to Join Group button and wait for the group's administrator to grant you membership. As a member of an eMedia group, you can curate resources that might be of interest to the members of the group. To add a resource to a group, find it in eMedia, click the Save button, and scroll down to the name of your group. Click on the name of the group or a folder within the group to add the resource. You will receive a message that the resource has been added to the group. All group resources are added to the main resource list. You can also organize them into group folders. You can also start and participate in group discussions. Discussions allow you to ask questions and share ideas with other members of the group. If you don't find an existing group that suits your needs and interests, you can create your own group by clicking on the Create a Group button. Groups can be created based on content area, grade level, initiative, school, district, organization, anything. Follow the step-by-step instructions for creating your new group, including choosing a group name, selecting your type of group, the subject areas your group will tie to, grade levels, and a group description. You can decide whether your group is open and anyone can join, or whether group members need approval to join the group. When you're all set, create your group. Now that your group is created, you can fine-tune it by clicking on Manage Group. Here, you can change the group's settings, add an openly licensed group image, manage group administrators, manage group membership, and even duplicate or delete the group. eMedia groups are ideal for curating top educational resources, sharing best practices, giving and receiving support, and expanding your professional learning network. Join an eMedia group and start collaborating with educators from around the state today. For more information, tutorials, and highlights, Visit the eMedia product page at uen.org/eMedia or visit the Getting Started with eMedia hub. If you have additional questions, feel free to send an email to eMedia@uen.org.